So I've been trying to scale my woodworking business. I sell my products in an online store. And what I think my problem is that I don't have a lot of products to sell yet. So I bought myself a little something that will help me get thousands of products in my online store. It's something that will let me personalize stuff. I think personalizing stuff is a great way to sell because people pay more when their name is on it, and it's a great way to make gifts and stuff. So let me show you what I bought. So I bought myself a laser engraver. I have made a couple of things, but I'm not quite happy about them. So I have to find the settings, the right settings. It's kind of hard because every wood has different settings. So I show you something that I just engraved today and yesterday. There's a little something. And this one. So this one is quite okay. This one lacks a little bit of detail. And I have these mango wood serving boards. I engraved a little family photo of mine. But as you can see, it's not quite right yet. So it's the same photo I am engraving right now on a beechwood serving board. I'll show you again, and I'll show you that it's getting better. So there's a lot more detail in it. One moment. So I think I'm getting the hang of it. If you guys are interested, I will show a lot more of these projects, these laser printing projects. I will show you a time lapse of the product I have just shown you. And at the end of the video, I'll share you the settings I use in Lightburn to engrave this on beechwood. So if you are interested in the settings of engraving photos on beechwood, make sure to watch until the end. So as you can see, sorry for the sound of the laser in the background. We are in Lightburn right now. So and that's the image it's engraving right now. And if you look over here, it's the black 00 layer. I have it currently set at 3000 millimeters per minute at a 30% power. And for the line, which is in Dutch family Hazen, which is my last name, is the purple one, layer 18, at 6000 millimeters per minute at 30% power. So these are the settings you can use if you want to engrave it just like I did.